Have you ever wondered how the Amazon rainforest affects your daily life, no matter where you live? The Amazon rainforest, an emerald sea of vibrant green, is often referred to as the lungs of our planet. And for good reason. This sprawling, lush expanse of life is responsible for producing an astonishing 20% of our world's oxygen. But its role doesn't stop at that. The Amazon rainforest plays a monumental part in maintaining our global climate. Think of it as a giant air conditioner, cooling our planet by absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. Every leaf, every tree, every inch of this forest is a tiny cog in a colossal machine that's keeping our world habitable. But the Amazon rainforest isn't just a vast oxygen factory or a global thermostat. It's also home to an astounding array of life. This verdant paradise hosts millions of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From the elusive jaguar to the vibrant poison dart frog, from the towering kapok tree to the tiny leafcutter ant, the Amazon's biodiversity is simply staggering. This ecosystem is a complex web of interdependence, where every creature and plant plays a unique role. The Amazon is a place of balance, where life and death, growth and decay coexist in a constant cycle. It's a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of nature. Yet the Amazon's influence extends far beyond its borders. Its massive river system nourishes regions thousands of miles away. Its trees release moisture that forms clouds, which in turn provide rainfall to far-off lands. In essence, the health of the Amazon rainforest impacts the health of our entire planet. The Amazon rainforest is not just a forest, it is the beating heart of our planet, pumping out vital resources for all life on Earth. This is a realm of unparalleled natural wonder, a place that reminds us of our deep connection to the natural world and our responsibility to protect it. The Amazon rainforest holds a rich history that dates back millions of years. Imagine a time when the Earth was still shaping itself, a time when the continents as we know them today were a single landmass. The Amazon basin formed during this time, slowly evolving from a dry, arid region into a lush, tropical rainforest. Over millions of years, the Amazon rainforest has undergone countless transformations, adapting and evolving to become the world's most biodiverse region. In the heart of this vast wilderness, life found a way to flourish in abundance. The forest canopy, dense and verdant, became a sanctuary for countless species, many of which are yet to be discovered. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, every creature has found its niche in this complex ecosystem, contributing to a cycle of life that is as intricate as it is beautiful. But this rainforest is not just a haven for wildlife. It is also a home to humans. For thousands of years, indigenous populations have lived harmoniously within the confines of the Amazon. These communities have developed unique cultures, languages, and ways of life that are deeply intertwined with the forest. They have learned to navigate its vast expanse, to harness its resources, and to respect its power. Their history is etched into the very fabric of the forest, in the footprints they leave behind, and the stories they pass down from generation to generation. These stories speak of a deep reverence for the forest, a recognition of its importance and the need to protect it. The Amazon rainforest is a living testament to the resilience of nature and the intricate balance that exists within it. It has weathered changes in climate, survived natural disasters, and adapted to the ebb and flow of life over millions of years. The rainforest's history is as diverse as the species it houses, a testament to the resilience of nature over time. As we journey deeper into the heart of the Amazon, we are reminded of the importance of preserving this incredible ecosystem for future generations, just as those before us have done. In our modern world, the Amazon rainforest faces unprecedented challenges. From the heart of South America, the Amazon, often dubbed as the planet's lungs, is under siege. Today, its vast expanse is rapidly shrinking, and it's not happening naturally. This is the handiwork of mankind. Deforestation, illegal mining, and climate change are the prime culprits, each one dealing a devastating blow to the world's largest rainforest. The Amazon is losing its trees at an alarming rate. What was once an impenetrable green fortress is now being reduced to patches of barren land. This isn't just about losing trees, it's about losing an entire ecosystem. Every tree that falls means a loss of habitat for countless species, many of which are yet to be discovered. Illegal mining, too, is leaving its mark. Gold miners have invaded the heart of the Amazon, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Their practices not only demolish the land, but also release mercury into the water, poisoning the life that depends on it. And then, there's climate change. As the world heats up, the Amazon is feeling the pressure. Rising temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns are pushing the rainforest to its limits. We're seeing more droughts, more fires, and more tree deaths than ever before. It's a vicious cycle. The more the Amazon suffers, the less it can do to combat climate change. The Amazon's decline isn't just a local issue, it's a global one. This rainforest is a significant carbon sink, soaking up billions of tons of carbon dioxide and giving us back the oxygen we breathe. Without it, our fight against climate change becomes that much harder. Its loss would also mean the demise of countless species, disrupting global biodiversity. The future of the Amazon is uncertain, and the consequences of its loss would be felt worldwide. So as we move forward, let's not forget the importance of this green giant. Our actions today will determine the fate of the Amazon and, in turn, the fate of our planet. Yet, there is hope. Individuals and organizations across the globe are taking action to preserve the Amazon. It's like watching a giant awakening, stirring with the collective power of humanity, determined to protect the world's most vital ecosystem. Conservation efforts are taking shape in a myriad of forms. Reforestation projects are popping up like fresh saplings after a rain shower. These initiatives are not just about planting trees, but restoring entire ecosystems. By reintroducing native species and rebuilding habitats, we're giving the Amazon a fighting chance to recover and thrive. However, the trees are not the only ones calling the Amazon home. Indigenous communities have lived in harmony with this forest for centuries, and their rights need to be safeguarded. There are organizations tirelessly working to protect these communities, recognizing their essential role as guardians of the Amazon. Their traditional knowledge and sustainable living practices are invaluable in the face of encroaching deforestation and climate change. In this fight for the Amazon, we're also exploring sustainable economic alternatives. We're learning that the forest is more valuable alive than dead. From ecotourism to forest-friendly products, we're reimagining ways to generate income that don't involve chopping down trees or exploiting wildlife. And here's the thing, you don't have to be part of a big organization or a government body to make a difference. Each one of us can play a significant role in the preservation of the Amazon. By educating ourselves, making conscious consumer choices, supporting indigenous rights and sustainable businesses, we can all be part of this global movement. So as we stand at this critical juncture, let's remember that our actions today will determine the Amazon's tomorrow. The fate of the Amazon is in our hands. Each one of us has the power to make a difference. Together, we can ensure that this magnificent forest continues to breathe, thrive, and sustain life on our planet for generations to come. In this journey, we have traveled through time, understanding the vital role of the Amazon rainforest. This verdant oasis, often referred to as the lungs of our planet, breathes life into our world. We've delved into its rich history, a tale of biodiversity and coexistence, an epic that stretches back millions of years. Our voyage has also led us to the current predicament the Amazon faces. Deforestation, fires, climate change, these threats are real and imminent. Yet, in the face of adversity, the human spirit shines brightest. We've seen mobilization on a global scale to protect and conserve this priceless ecosystem. From individual actions to multinational initiatives, every effort counts in this monumental endeavor. The Amazon rainforest is not just a distant land teeming with exotic wildlife. It's a living, breathing entity that sustains us all. We share an interconnected world, and the Amazon rainforest is a crucial part of it. Its survival is our survival.